This is how to steam medium to heavyweight fabrics. So starting with some of our medium weight, we have two variations of cotton button shirts. These are kind of classic men's shirts. This has a bit of a felt type of feel to it. It's just a little bit heavier than your traditional cotton button-up. This is a cotton blazer. And of course, this is a heavy denim. This is a vintage denim, and I actually have corduroy, wrinkled old corduroy. So let's jump in how to steam these fabrics. So now for our cotton blazer. This is actually fully lined as well. So I'm actually gonna do the inside and the outside. So let's start on the inside, making long streams down. Because this is fully lined, it's a pretty heavy fabric, so we're going to make high contact, okay? And we're gonna give it some tension. As you see, there's lots of little wrinkles right in here. So we're gonna hold it tight and pull down. Pull tight, pull down. Be careful not to burn yourself. I almost did. And let's do the sleeve. So for the sleeves, you can hold it out just like this and bring it down, just like that. And this again is really high contact. And for that lapel, you wanna make sure it's laying smoothly. So we're gonna create a little tension and come down just like that. So we're gonna make sure we kind of get that crease right here and make sure the lapel is laid nice and flat. So we're gonna hold at the top and pull it straight down. You can add a little tension here at the bottom if you like and do the same thing. You can still get a crease along with steaming by giving it that tension. You don't have to necessarily use an iron. And if you're a stylist and you're on set, you don't usually have an iron, you usually will only have a steamer, so just keep in mind to give it a little tension to give it the sharpness that you need. So let's jump onto our cotton shirts. I have a heavier weight one here that has a brushed finish. So again, with this, we're gonna create a little tension and start from the inside once again, making nice long streams, just like that. And I'm doing this on this, I'm doing the inside for this fabric because it's a brushed fabric. It actually has a side here that's like more of a traditional cotton. And that's a little easier to steam and you don't run the risk of damaging any of the fabric. So we're doing it from the inside, and as you can see, it steams it perfectly. And you can see the big difference between this side and the wrinkled side. Onto our more traditional cotton shirt. This is a this is your traditional white button-up type of fabric. This actually is going to be done on the outside. We're going to give it a good amount of tension and lots of pressure. Ooh, I just burned myself. Woo! Showing you how to steam and what not to do at the same time. If you have the hem that's curled up or anything like that, you can hold it up and just come from the inside on that hem. But for the most part on the shirt like this, we want to give it lots of pressure and come from the outside. And the more tension you give it, the more pressure you can give it. So I'm going to hold it really tight from the bottom and give it a lot of pressure. I'm going to do a nice little swirl up here at the top, just to make sure that that's laid flat. And then with our sleeve, again, lots of tension. We're going to do a nice little streamline of the sleeve straight down. We're going to do the same thing on the back, just like this. Well, that wraps today's 5-minute how-to. I hope you learned something new. Comment down below if there's anything else you want to know, and I'll consider it for my next video. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you're the first to know when a new video drops. Until next time, style well, live well, be brave. Peace!